Alright, this is going to be a super fast video. We're looking at finding the area of a triangle in this video. And this, by the way, is section 11.6 in your book. So if it is a right triangle that you're dealing with, the formula is pretty simple. 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. You've seen that formula for years. Now, if it's a non-right triangle, then this is your formula, and once again this is given to you in your formula packet, so you want to make sure you see where that is. Alright, so 1/2 AB sine C. A and B are the sides surrounding this angle. So if we were to do a quick example here, and let's suppose this is no calculator. Alright, let's suppose that is 30, and let's say that this is 10, and this side is 8, and we're looking to find the area. Okay? Well, the area is going to be 1/2. The A and the B are the sides surrounding that angle. And notice how it's the sine of 30, right? It's not cosine, but we have a sine in this formula. Okay, now if this is no calculator, you could certainly handle it because we should have memorized that sine of 30 is one of the big three, right? This is 1/2. If you don't have it memorized, then you have to construct a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle and remember your side ratios, okay, and find it that way. But again, it's going to show up a lot, so commit it to memory. So from there, 1/2 of 10 would be 5, 1/2 of 8 would be 4, so we're really dealing with 5 times 4, so our area of this triangle would be 20 square units. Okay, so let's look at just one more quick example. Alright, so suppose this time we were told what the actual area is of this particular triangle. We know that the angle here is 40 and it's surrounded by sides of x and 9. So this is not a right triangle, so here is our basic formula. So 50 is our area, and this one we would be allowed to use a calculator since our angle is not a special right triangle angle. So call A x and call B 9, and then we have the sine of 40. Okay, so we're trying to solve for x here. Okay, so what that means is to get x alone, we would have to divide everything over, so you would have 50 divided by 1/2 times 9, so you can call that 4.5 if you'd like. Alright, and then the sine of 40. If you're entering this all at once, make sure you put parentheses around your entire denominator. So practice doing this, please, and then go ahead and find your side length of x. Okay, so you're going to get 17.3 if you correctly enter that into the calculator. Just one reminder, this really has nothing to do with the area of a triangle, but it's something you might see in a practice problem. So again, quick reminder, in any triangle, the largest angle is always going to be across from the largest or the longest side. The smallest angle is always going to be across from the shortest or the smallest side. Okay, just a reminder, you'll see it in a question.